So first up, we have a walking shoe. Everybody needs a good, comfortable walking shoe. But how about one that is as good looking as it is comfy?
Yeah, I like the colors.
Yes, and this is incredibly popular. 26,000 ratings, and reviewers like nurses and people who are on their feet all day rave about how lightweight. Feel how lightweight
They're very light. Now, they look like they might be slip-on.
I know they are.
Are they? Oh, okay. Yeah, love that.
And slip-on, but I love that they have the tie detail.
Yes.
I think it makes them a little bit more stylish. And feel this inside.
Oh, it feels like a cloud.
Memory foam.
Oh, memory foam.
Yes, I've tried these on. I was wearing them backstage.
Yeah, and you like?
Oh my gosh, so comfy.
How much? $42.99.
$42.99, and I think these look actually really expensive.
Yeah, they do. They're nice quality.
Right? They're great looking.
Super cute. Can you wash them? White shoes make me nervous. Okay, yeah.